Hi guys. So, if you never applied to a Studienkolleg before, I know that this seems complex. It may still not be very clear what you have to do because every Studienkolleg has its own system, requirements, deadlines. So I'll explain this process step by step for you now so that I can make your life a little bit easier. So first thing, you have to check whether you really need a Studienkolleg. For that, you use the website Anabin. I'll leave the link in the description for you. And there you check if your high school diploma is certified and therefore you don't need Studienkolleg, or if it's not fully recognized and therefore you do need a Studienkolleg. Also, if you have any doubts, you can ask the Studienkolleg itself by email. So the next step is that if you do have to attend a Studienkolleg, you need to choose the right one for you. So in which institution, public or private, I already have a video on this. I recommend that you check it out later. It will help you choose the best Studienkolleg for you. And also here you have to choose which course you want to attend, but this is completely personal. Next thing, once you're done choosing the Studienkolleg and course, you have to prepare your documents. And here typically you'll need your passport, a high school diploma. You'll need also official translations, and here they must be certified translations so that they can be recognized. Also, you'll need a language certificate, so usually B1 or B2 for Studienkolleg. Sometimes also you'll need a curriculum and even a motivation letter. And once you're done with that, now it's time to submit your application. And for that, you have two possible ways. Each depends on the Studienkolleg itself. So either you send it directly to the Studienkolleg via email or per post, or you do this in a platform called UniAssist. So you fill in some forms and send your application. And here there are two things that are very important. And the first is that you'll need to find where you must send your application in the Studienkolleg website. For example, the Studienkolleg of Mainz has its own application platform. However, in the Studienkolleg of Berlin, you have to do all of this through the UniAssist. Also, second thing, do this as early as possible because some steps here in between can take some weeks and it can be very risky if you leave it all to the end. So, okay, you submit your application, and now if it's all correct, and that means that it's crucial that you are sure that you're doing all correctly, so then you will receive an email with your invitation to the exam. Now this is very important because with this invitation you can now apply to a visa so that you can go to Germany to take your Aufnahmetest. And your invitation email includes the date, time, and place of your exam, the required documents to bring, your candidate number, and also link to sample papers or preparation materials. And now you're done. Now it's time to prepare for the exam itself. So I have some videos on my channel about preparing for the Aufnahmetest. Feel free to watch them. If you like someone to help you directly with application documents, deadlines, requirements, visa, Aufnahmetest, everything, I can give you a support in that. So you basically have someone to answer all your questions, doubts, or anything about the Studienkolleg process and guiding you through all of it. So if that's exactly what you want, I'm going to leave a link also in the description so that you can apply for that. But either way, my final advice to you guys is start early, okay? Stay organized and you'll be just fine. And I hope you like this video and I see you guys in the next one.